Hey guys, welcome back to Fast Fix. In this video, going to show you how to duplicate Shopify store. So make sure to watch the video till the end so you won't miss any of these steps. So first up, open your browser and then go to Shopify website and make sure to log in with your account. Now here, what you're going to do is go to the left side of your screen, go to apps and click on this add apps button. Once you click on Add Apps, then an option shows up here. As you can see, you just have to click on Shopify App Store right here at the bottom of this page. And once you click on that, it will open up the App Store and basically go to the search box at the top and search for Duplify. All right, and then click on Enter on your keyboard, and then it will show you this page here. So we're going to select this Duplify Duplicate Store app. So click on this one. And then what you're going to do here, basically, you just have to install this to your Shopify store. And as you can see here, this app needs access to view personal data and view edit store data. Okay, so we're going to click on install button. Once you click on install button, then you'll basically go to this page. So welcome to Duplify. So we have an options right there at the top right. We have home, we have the billing, and also we have the button which says here export. So using this app, you can basically export all your data from your Shopify store and make it duplicate. So yeah, that's it. That's how you basically duplicate your Shopify store. So if you find this video helpful, please consider to like and subscribe to the channel, and don't forget to hit the notification bell to notify you on the next video.